build a sustainable world for future generations and protect what is most valuable to us. Learn more about how Panasonic is reducing global emissions and recycling in the U.S. with our first exciting Tech Talk. Please welcome to the stage Mr. Ogawa, Global Chief Technology Officer and Executive Officer at Panasonic, Andrea Murphy, the Director of Environmental Affairs and Sustainability, and Cal Penn, our Honorary Climate Action Ambassador. Take it over.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Can you hear me? How's that? No? Not yet? Give us 1 second. It happens.
Technical difficulties, we gotta be aware.
Oh yeah, here we go. Thank you.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. That's great. Hi, everybody. How are you? My name is Cal Penn. I'm an actor. I'm a former White House staffer. I'm a former college instructor, believe it or not. But through all of that, one of my real passions is climate advocacy. And that's one of the biggest reasons that I'm really proud to be here as an ambassador on the floor at CES with Panasonic, specifically talking about all of the ways in which sustainability factors into what Panasonic is doing with the Green Impact Initiative. And that's one of the great joys of talking to you today. And so I was just going to throw this out with the first question, which is about sustainability. So sustainability is clearly the anchor here at CES for Panasonic. Can you please tell our audience about Panasonic Green Impact and what initiatives are you particularly focusing on?
Yeah. My mic alive?
There. Okay. There you go.
Okay, thank you, Carl. Our Panasonic Green Impact has a mainly three part.
Okay.
The first one is own impact. That we should suppress our carbon dioxide emission in our value chain, so-called scope 1, 2, and 3. That's 110 million ton by 2050. But in addition to that, second part here is a contribution impact. That we can contribute for our customers' business to suppress the carbon dioxide emissions, such as EV batteries for the automotive, or the air-to-water heat pumps in a great energy saving solution or something like that. We'd like to make the 100 million ton suppression by 2050 also. Moreover, we'd like to pile another 100 million ton for the future technology, such as hydrogen, green hydrogen, the bubbling you can see at the corner, or the new photovoltaics in a green tree or something. This contribution impact and also the future impact, we'd like to avoid the emission, so-called avoided emission, not only in a value chain, but also in our customers' value chain for society.
And why is it important to contribute to avoided emissions instead of just scope 1, 2, and 3?
Because we have already been making a great contribution in not only in our own value chain, but also in our customers' value chain. That means for society. But at the same time, if we'd like to expand this concept of the avoided emission with our partners, we can enhance the carbon dioxide suppression, and also at the same time you can achieve the economic growth. So that's the concept.
Okay. So we're here. Oh. Kenny, you got me?
No.
No? All right. It's all right. So we're here in Nevada, right? Obviously in North America. So Ms. Murphy, one of the things I was wondering as I was walking around the floor, which initiatives are specific to Panasonic North America?
Can I get the mic?
Yeah.
No, thank you, and that's a great question. I want to step back, and just as you're saying, we're talking about it here at CES, and that really resonates me. I want to acknowledge CTA for saying that a focus here at CES is human for security for all, And that aligns with Panasonic's Green Impact Plan. It's on the same page. And it's really important that we take steps here in North America to reach those goals. And Panasonic has been making sustainable products for over 100 years. And if we want to continue this, we're going to have to decrease the carbon dioxide emissions of our products, increase the energy efficiency, and move on to be a sustainable future for everyone. And starting with just the definition of sustainability, right? To take a step back, everyone might not be aware, but sustainability is making sure that we're reaching our own needs now without compromising the needs of future generations. So we are definitely doing that with our products here in North America. We have the EV batteries, which you talked about. We have a huge recycling program, so we have new products coming out that are using less materials. They are being fully recycled at their end of life and even being made into brand new batteries to power the EV vehicles. So it's pretty exciting.
Our next tech talk is going to dive a little deeper into that at 11:30, I think, 11 or 11:30. So I'm excited to get into that a little more. Mr. Ogawa, what challenges do you face to promote avoided emissions globally, and what's Panasonic doing to overcome those challenges?
In the meantime, the issue here is that there is no standard for society to treat officially the avoided emissions to evaluate collectively. So Panasonic support effort to promote this concept, avoided emissions. For example, last October we joined the World Business Council for Sustainable Development. That's the organization that set the scope 1 to 3, and now they're addressing to make a new guideline for avoided emission. We collaborate closely with that, and also in addition to that, we are in an electric sector, so IEC is a standardization organization. We are working very hard with that IEC to set the new standardization collectively to align with the WBCSD guideline now.
And then what about specific to North America in terms of how is Panasonic reducing emissions?
So here in North America, we're taking action on the things that we can control. It is the emissions coming from our factories, it's making more energy efficient products, and creating new technologies for our customers. Starting at our factories, we have a 3-step process, and we're starting with reducing the energy consumption. After that, we're putting on-site renewable energy, and then if there is leftover electricity consumption, we are buying renewable energy credits.
And then final question, since we're all here, what can visitors to Panasonic's CES booth expect?
Sure, I could take that one. This is just a sample of what products that we're working on. We have so many more, but I invite you to take a look around the booth, see our EV battery cells, see our solar cells. At the home, we've got great products to use. We've got the multi-shape. We also have NanoEX air purifying technology that could be in the car. So please, I invite you to take a look around and see everything that we have here today.
I think that about wraps it up. I'll just end by saying, for the folks who are joining at home and those who are here, take a look around. This is a pretty fascinating exhibit, and one of the things that excited me most about it is that it sort of hits climate change solutions in a number of ways, from the corporate side to what consumers can do, the way that we power our homes, the products that we use, all of which is kind of nice to have a positive solution to something that we really need to holistically tackle together. So thank you for joining us. Thank you all for having me, and enjoy a look around. Thanks, everybody.
So nice. Thank you for your support.
Of course. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.